every vehicle's flawless performance, especially during turns and acceleration, hinges on small yet vital components working behind the scenes. These parts might be tiny and easily overlooked, but they are the heart of the entire system's operation. Each smooth turn and rapid acceleration is made possible by the small but powerful elements. They operate quietly, bearing an essential responsibility. With over 3 decades of production expertise, Gap-Autoparts pays meticulous attention to every detail. From product development to rigorous testing, we ensure that every facet of our product design meets the highest standards. Because we believe that small parts drive the vast world of vehicles. Regardless of the size of the demand, we are committed to meeting it. Every partnership inspires us to deliver superior quality products and services. Even the unseen needs reflect our dedication to each partner. We value every detail and maintain strict control over every process, from R&D to production and delivery, guaranteeing quality and safety. Our commitment to sustainability ensures that we not only advance the world, but also protect it for future generations. Witness the small heroes driving the world forward. Precision craftsmanship, ultimate performance. Gap-Autoparts.